Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to the Spring 2023 Balanced Company Lifestyle Box for Women unboxing here on my channel. I am so excited to get into this. If you are familiar with me and my channel, you may know that this is one of my favorite subscription box companies, the Balanced Company. They make a bunch of different incredible boxes that just help you live that balanced lifestyle, which is definitely something I'm trying to focus on in 2023. And it's a women-owned company, and I am just such a big fan of everything I've received from this company so far. And so a quick disclaimer that this is sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I just absolutely love sharing these unboxings here on my YouTube channel. So yes, like I said, this is the seasonal lifestyle box for women. They also have one for men. They've got that monthly snack box that I have shown here on my channel before that I'm obsessed with. And the seasonal lifestyle box here is $54.99. And when you see the value that you get in this box, you are going to be blown away. That price point is so incredible for how much you get in this box. Plus, I do have a discount code. It's Christy20, and that will get you 20% off your first box. And of course, I'll have all of this information in the description down below. But I can't wait any longer. Let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Yay! Oh, the moment when I first opened a subscription box. What can be better than that? Okay, we've got some great product information here. Like seriously, top-notch product information. But I want to be surprised as I pull out products, so let's just go ahead and jump in. First, I'm going to pull out this Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses Fresh and Dewy 2-in-1 Serum, Damask Rose and Vitamin E. Can't say I'm familiar with this brand, but it looks really nice. It helps reduce the appearance of fatigue and maintain healthy skin microbiome, while rose water and hyaluronic acid plump skin for a refreshed look. Oh, this is so pretty. Of course, it gets me with the pink. I am curious the retail value on this because it seems like it would be a high-end product just from the looks of it. $28.99. I mean, not crazy for a serum, but in my opinion, definitely not cheap. Okay, next, we are getting some really nice pampering products. This one here is from the brand Sukin, Australian Natural Signature Antioxidant Eye Serum. Ooh, I use like an eye cream, I've used like an eye gel, but an eye serum is unique, but it sounds really nice. So then it's like a more thin layer. Ooh, I'm very intrigued. This is vegan. You can use it twice a day, which is what I do with my eye creams. Oh, maybe it does look a little bit thicker than a serum, but for an eye cream too, this is like the same size as that serum. It takes me forever to go through an eye cream. So this I think will be able to last a long time. This looks so nice as well. I'm always just so curious retail value on especially skincare products because they can be very surprising. I'm gonna look this one up as well. Wow, $15.99. I'm very excited to try this out because if this really is a nice eye cream, eye serum for $15.99, that is such a great price point for an eye product. Wow. Okay, next. Oh, these I'm definitely familiar with. I love these. They're from the brand Invisibobble, the Strong Grip Hair Ring, and it's the clear 3-pack. I use these all the time. Right now I have like a satin scrunchie in my hair, but I'm either wearing like a satin scrunchie or an Invisibobble when I have my hair up like this. So I'm very happy to have more of these in my collection. Next, an essential oil. Let's see, this is Roll On Blend. Oh, this is the focusing version. It's from the brand Now Essential Oils. It's the Roll On Mind That Energy Focusing Essential Blend. It looks like it might have some mint in it. Yep, the aroma is minty, which I love the smell of mint. So this is going to be great. It says apply to wrists, temple, nape of neck, or other desired area and breathe in deeply to refresh and encourage mental focus. I'm literally going to put this into my laptop bag so I can bring this with me to work. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. All right, next. Ooh, does this, yes, same brand as the serum. Oh my gosh, this is the Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses Lip Sleeping Mask. I use a lip sleeping mask every night and I love them. I love trying out lip masks as well. Ooh, this is the sensitive version. Oh, I'm so excited about this. The packaging looks so nice. It smells so good. It smells sweet, kind of like candy. I am very close to finishing up my current lip mask and I am definitely going to try this out after. I'm so excited about this. Wow. I feel like I've already pulled out so many products that I'm so excited about, and I still have basically a full box in front of me here. All right, next. Ooh, I can't tell at first glance what these are. I'm gonna look in my product information because I don't want to mess it up by opening in case it's like something I want to gift to someone. Let's see. Oh my gosh. So let me show you the picture in the packaging here. It's large Turkish hand towels, set of 2, retail value of $35. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely use these, so I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. This is so cute. I love the tassels. It's a really nice soft material, a great size. Oh, I feel like my hand towels, I just like never really change them out and they're all just pretty boring. This is going to add such a beautiful like touch of decor to anywhere, like kitchen, bathrooms. I'm so excited about this. It's a type of product that I didn't think that I would need or to buy for myself, but now that I have it, I'm so excited about it. All right, next, pulling out of my bottomless box, it feels like, the Shikai Color Reflect Mist and Go Conditioner. Ooh, add shine, detangle, and get a midday lift. Ooh, I love the sound of that. It does everything I would want a hair product to do. Moisture, detangle, defrizz, strengthen and nourish the hair. Protects from UV. Oh my gosh, yeah, this sounds awesome and it's a great size. Another brand that I'm not familiar with. So I love that basically the Balance Company in general introduces me to brands that are such, you know, like great brands to support that I can feel good using. So I love getting to try new brands through these subscriptions. Ooh, this looks beautiful. Is it a nail polish? The shade is called Flirtini. I love this shade of pink. 77% naturally derived nail polish. Oh my gosh. And this is seriously like the color of my bridesmaid dresses. This is so perfect. I love this. I don't think I have a nail polish color like this in my collection, and I was probably going to try and get some or gift some to my bridesmaid, and this is exactly what I'd be looking for. Next, ooh. Mineral Fusion Making Beauty Healthy Eye Pencil in the shade Kohl. I am not familiar with this makeup brand and I always love trying out new makeup brands. Yeah, like a classic black eyeliner pencil here. And I think the last thing in here is a big product on the bottom. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Look, like the quality of this. This is gorgeous. Oh, this leather style mini backpack. This is incredible. Like, how do they put so much value into this box? $54.99, I said. Then you can get that 20% off as well. This alone looks double the price of this box. Oh my gosh. The brand is Pixie Mood. I love that it has the zipper. This is amazing. I don't have a little backpack like this, and you know, I've got my bachelorette party coming up, so traveling. This is going to be perfect. It is going to come in handy so much. I love it. I love the style of this. I feel like it's perfect to go with anything. It's like an any season, any outfit type of bag. Oh my gosh, I am blown away right now. And it's such a great size. I can fit everything I would need to in here. I'm like absolutely blown away by this box. I want to just go through a little bit more of the retail value because incredible. I said that the backpack here seemed like double the price of this box. Yeah, this backpack has a $95 value, and I am not surprised by that. The Mineral Fusion Flirtini nail polish is a $9.99 value. The Mineral Fusion Kohl eye pencil, $17.99 value. Ooh, the Shikai Mist and Go conditioner, $11.99. So another more like reasonably priced product, but it's a great size. So yeah, I continue to clearly be blown away by the Balanced Company subscriptions. I absolutely highly recommend subscribing or gifting to someone in your life. I just know that anyone that gets a Balanced Company subscription is going to absolutely love it. And so as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.